Good morning everyone. Last class lo comparison of LSD with RBD. LSD with RBD. Previous లో comparison of RBD with CRD చూసాం. Which one is the most efficient అని అంటే కంపేర్ RBDని CRD తోని కంపేర్ చేసినప్పుడు RBD is the most efficient అని better one. RBD is the better one అని ప్రూవ్ చేసాం. దెన్ ఇప్పుడు LSDని RBDతో కంపేర్ చేసినప్పుడు LSD is the most efficient అంటే RBD కంటే LSD బెటర్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో comparison of LSD with RBD. Since RBD and LSD follows the ANOVA two-way and incomplete three-way classification respectively, and the mean sum of squares is an unbiased estimator of variance of E. Generally, RBD follows the two-way ANOVA. CRD follows the three-way ANOVA. And mean sum of squares is the unbiased estimation of variance of E. That is expectation of mean sum of squares is equal to variance of E. And expectation of sum of squares by mean sum of square అని అంటే we have a formula mean sum of squares is equal to sum of squares by degrees of freedom. So we can write replacing the mean sum of squares with the sum of squares of degrees of freedom is equal to variance of E. And by degrees of freedom, expectation of sum of squares is equal to variance of E. So So expectation of sum of squares is equal to degrees of freedom into variance of E is the statement equation 1. Is statement equation 1. The analysis of RBD is given by the analysis table. The analysis table of RBD is given by analysis table వచ్చేసి source of variance and degrees of freedom and sum of squares and expected error. RBD లో you can write treatments, blocks, errors. So treatments ki k-1 is the degrees of freedom, n-1 is blocks ki n-1 is the degrees of freedom and error వచ్చేసి n-1 into k-1 is the degrees of freedom. And also we can write sum of squares of treatment equal to double summation yi dot minus y bar whole square. Sum of squares of block is equal to double summation y dot j bar minus y bar whole square. Sum of squares of error is equal to double summation. We can write yi j minus yi dot minus yi dot bar minus y dot j bar plus y bar is the formula. And expected error వచ్చేసి degrees of freedom మనకి ఇక్కడ k into variance of t plus variance of e and also ఇక్కడ expected error n into variance of b plus variance of e and ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి variance of e is the expected error. The total error expected error is given by the total expected error is given by, can write degrees of freedom into expected error, degrees of freedom into expected error, degrees of freedom into expected error. So first we can write the k minus 1 into can write k into variance of t plus variance of e plus n minus 1 into variance of b and variance of e plus n minus 1 into k minus 1 variance of e. Finally, we can write the statement is k into k minus 1 into variance of t plus n into n minus 1 into variance of b plus, and also we can write k minus 1 plus n minus 1 plus n into k plus n into k and minus n minus k minus 1 minus plus 1. Then we can write k n and n get cancelled, and minus 1 and plus 1 get cancelled, and remaining n and minus 1 and variance of e. N into k is similar to capital N. Finally, k into k minus 1 into variance of t plus n into n minus 1 into variance of b plus n minus 1 into variance of e is the total expected error. Equation 2. The analysis of table of LSD. Next, the analysis of table LSD. Source of variance, degrees of freedom. Sum of squares. And expected error. ఇక్కడ మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఆర్బిడికి చేసాం. ఇక్కడ ఎల్ఎస్డి, అక్కడ 2 టర్మ్స్ వస్తాయి, ఇక్కడ 3 టర్మ్స్ వస్తాయి. వన్ ఈజ్ రోస్ కాలమ్స్ treatments error. Rows की degrees of freedom n minus 1 है, columns की m minus 1 है, treatments की m minus 1 है, and here m minus 1 into m minus 2. And also we can write sum of squares of rows is equal to double summation yi dot bar minus y bar whole square. Sum of squares of columns is equal to double summation y dot j dot bar minus y bar whole square. Sum of squares of treatments is equal to double summation y dot k bar minus y bar whole square, and sum of squares of error is equal to yijk minus y bar I dot minus y bar dot j dot minus y bar dot k minus y bar whole square. And the expected error is m into the variance of R plus variance of E dash, and M into variance of column C plus variance of E dash, and M into variance of T plus variance of dash, and variance of dash. ఆల్రెడీ వేరియన్స్ తీసుకున్నాం, ఇక్కడ వేరియన్స్ ఆఫ్ డాష్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. ప్రీవియస్లో ఆర్బిడిలో రాయడం మర్చిపోయినా, అక్కడ డాష్లు ఉంటాయి, క్లియర్గా మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు అక్కడ, ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నాం. అండ్ ద టోటల్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ ఎర్రర్ ఇన్ LSD ఈస్ గివెన్ బై the total expected error is given by degrees of freedom into expected error, degrees of freedom into expected error, degrees of freedom into expected error, degrees of freedom into expected error. So we can write here m minus 1 into m into variance of R plus variance of E dash plus m minus 1 into m into variance of C plus variance of E dash plus m minus 1 into m into variance of T plus variance of E dash plus m minus 1 m minus 2 into variance of E dash. From the equation we can write m into m minus 1 into variance of R plus m into m minus 1 into variance of C plus m into m minus 1 into variance of T plus we can write three values here: m minus 1 plus m minus 1 plus m minus 1 plus m minus 1 plus m minus 2. Then the common term is variance of E dash. The common term is variance of E dash. Then m into m minus 1 into variance of R plus m into m minus 1 into variance of C plus m into m minus 1 into variance of T plus. Finally, we will get the conclusion వచ్చేసి both the values generally m minus 1 plus m minus 1 plus m minus 1 and ఇక్కడ మనం చూసుకుంటే వీటిని చూసుకుంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చూసుకుంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్ చూసుకుంటే m స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ minus 2m minus m minus 3 and ఈ minus 2m and minus total గా చూసుకుంటే minus 3m minus 3 m square and minus 2m minus m minus 1 minus రాదు ఎందుకంటే మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది minus 1 m square and minus 2m minus m plus 2 అంటే ఇది మైనస్ 3 అవుతుంది minus 3m అంటే get cancel and remaining e2 and plus 2 get cancel. Finally m square minus 1 remaining m into m minus 1 into variance of r plus m into m minus 1 into variance of e plus m into m minus 1 into variance of t plus m square minus 1 is variance of e dash. Indanga you can write m square is equal to capital N. So finally m into m minus 1 into variance of r plus m into m minus 1 into variance of e plus m into m minus 1 into variance of t plus you can write n minus 1 variance of e dash. This is the total expected error equation 3. So here total expected error RBT is equal to total expected error in LSD చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. Thank you.